Easy Canon G3010 Printer Unboxing and Setup Guide. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Remove all tape on the outside and the inside of the printer. Lift the cover to insert cartridges. B cartridge goes to the B slot, while the C cartridge goes to the C slot. Don't forget to remove the orange tape on the cartridges like we did here. Lift the cover and fill in the color ink tanks. Cyan ink goes in the C tank, magenta ink goes in the M tank, yellow ink goes in the Y tank. While the black ink goes to the BK tank. Close the cover. Plug in the power adapter cable and connect your printer to your computer using the USB cable for the setup. Lastly, power on your printer and you are good to go.